That's great. That's so. Do you have any question regarding yesterday lecture?
No, I don't have any questions, but I'm glad that it's recording, so now I can go back and ask you questions.
Okay. Okay. So, did you make any web page?
Just the one I did with you yesterday. That was it.
Okay. Can you show me?
Oh no, I deleted it.
Why are you doing it?
Oh, you didn't tell me.
No, 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 no. If I did not tell me, then it's not mean you did the work and after that you delete it.
Okay.
And yesterday I made a lecture. Sorry, I made a page in front of you, and I did not delete it. I can show you.
No.
Uh, uh,
Okay.
okay.
So I'm not gonna delete it now.
Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So here is the folder. You can see here. This is the file which I yeah. This is a
You
yesterday
said I
file.
have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So did you completely understand the structure of HTML?
Yes.
That's great. Okay. So okay. Now okay. So the next is doc type. Doc type means that
Dot type.
yeah, document type. So in this tag we have to mention the document type. For this purpose we have just only write the document type HTML because we are using the HTML language to build a web page. Okay, and here is the example here. Here, this is the syntax to write a document type in HTML. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Yesterday,
Yes.
yeah, yesterday we wrote just HTML tag and the document type is not right,
Okay.
but today and after that we will must write the document type before the HTML text. So this means that the web browser will understand this page is built in the HTML language. Okay, did you get it? Oh, okay.
Um.
So it is very in the HTML5. HTML
Okay.
is the simple and the first version. The name is 1.0, and HTML5 is the latest version of the HTML.
Okay.
So we will use the latest version of the HTML5, which has many of the advanced features to build a web page, and it will help us to make a advanced level of structure of a web page. Okay. So did you understand doc type here?
Yes.
That's great.
It's the structure of how the document is going to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So another is basic of HTML5. So first of all, we have to write the document type in the HTML tag, and the other one is body tag. And in the body tag, you can write a tag. A stand for anchor. The use of the anchor tag is to build a link like as, for example, I'm going to show you the example like this. I just wrote here. If I click on this, then I will go to the this W3 schools website, right?
Okay.
And if I click another, yes, if I click in this HTML introduction, then I will go to this HTML introduction page. So this is how to use the A tag.
Okay.
Yeah, A tag. A stand for anchor. Like anchor like uh, this one. Sorry.
Okay. Anchor.
Uh, this one. This is the right
Yeah.
spelling of the anchor tag. So this is the short denotation of the anchor tag. Okay. So I will show you by writing the anchor tag in the web page for the practical, and in the practical you will be clearly understand about the working of the A tag. So in the HTML5, the opening and closing tag must be together use. This means that if I make any tag, then I have to close the tag like this. Here's the HTML tag and here's the closing tag. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag with the forward slash. Okay. And the second is, this is the body tag of opening and this is the closing tag of the body. And similarly, here is the opening tag of anchor and here is the closing tag of anchor. Okay. And this statement is fulfilled by this example. Did you get it?
The last part you cut off.
Where?
When the opening part, opening and closing.
This is the opening part. This is the opening tag
Okay.
and this is the closing tag. You can see here.
Oh, the forward slash.
Yeah. Only difference between the closing and opening tag is forward slash.
Okay.
Yeah. Please be consider this forward slash. If some tag have the forward slash sign, then it is obviously it is the closing tag. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the next point is this example. This point means that if I write some tags and the text or paragraph must be written between the opening and closing tag. Look like this. Okay. If I write this text in the closing or opening tag, then this working is not good. Like as this tag is not work perfectly. Okay. Now I'm going to show you all these example by doing a practical in front of you. So now I'm going to the folder here and I make another file like as web.html, and now I'm going to open with the VS Code. Here, uh, can you tell me uh, about the page which tags are required to build a simple web page?
Can you repeat that?
Of course. How I can start the how I can to make a web page.
Okay. Um. So we're gonna do the what is that called? The colon HTML, correct?
No, this is the less than sign.
Yeah, less than sign
Yeah.
HTML.
No, no. We discuss with the doc type today.
Oh, okay. We're gonna do doc type. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. And after that, we can use HTML tag, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And please remember, if I open any tag, then you have to close on the same time.
Okay.
You can see here. If I use the HTML tag, and also you have to close on the same time, because this is markup language, and it will not show the error on the web browser. So for this purpose, we have to close the tag on the same time.
Okay.
Okay, so please remember it. And next tag, what?
Oh, sorry. After the doc type HTML,
Okay, and what is the next tag after the HTML?
HTML.
Of
I don't know.
why? If you don't know, then you have a lot of questions about the yesterday lecture.
So are you using the same tags from yesterday?
Yes, right, right,
Oh, okay. Then we're gonna put body. I'm sorry, head,
right. That's great. That's
head.
great. Yes,
Okay, I thought maybe it's a new language. Okay, it's not a new language. It's just a different way to write it. It's gonna be a document
right,
type HTML. Okay,
right.
okay. Then after head is body, right?
Yes, and
Okay,
in the head
body
tag,
equals to
what is the next tag?
in the head.
Yeah, in the head tag, between the head tag.
It's oh sorry, the title,
That's great. Total. You can see here.
and then uh,
Uh,
whatever you want to put as the title. This is a testing page.
okay. I'm just writing down testing page,
Okay.
and after that,
After head is body,
that's great. Okay. And what do you want to
and
write
in the
the?
body you're going to put the heading. You can do like uh, the colors, the heading colors, the body background,
What is the tag here?
heading one,
That's great. That's great. And we will use H1 to H6.
H1.
Okay. Please remember,
Okay,
the heading will be H1 to H6. H1,
H1 to H
yeah. H1 means that it has the bigger text.
first heading. Okay,
It has the bigger text. And H2, it is smaller than H1 tag. And if I use H3 tag, its main tag, this size is smaller than H2, and so on.
okay.
Okay, please remember it. So what do you want to write here?
Uh, and it can be like background color, I guess.
No. I mean to say, write something here in the text form.
Tag.
It is a heading, like as a uh, web.
Oh, it's like a subheading, right? Okay.
No, just text.
Oh, text. Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to open the slide. You can see here. This is the format. first step format to build a web page structure, and this is the another example, like as like as if first of all I'm going to show the output of this web page, and after that I will show you what is the difference between. Now you can see here, this is the heading with the name of web designing, and here is the title,
Yeah.
testing page, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Got
Okay,
it.
okay. If I write this text inside the opening tag, look like this, and now I'm going to refresh the page, and you can see here.
Web.
Yeah, what is the difference between previous and now?
The heading changed. This is web HTML now.
No, this is not called heading, this is called title.
Title. The title
Yeah,
changed.
here's the title. Okay. uh, I wrote this text inside the opening tag.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to redo and save the page, and after that I refresh the page, and now you can see it come back.
Yeah.
Okay. So similarly, this type of heading, if I cut and replace with the opening tag, the heading will not be show. You can see. Can you get a difference?
The heading is not showing.
Yes. And if I go to the console, there is no error, right?
Yeah.
But the heading is not showing. Why?
Because you removed it.
No. Here is the heading. Did you get what is the issue?
Wait, time out. 1 second. Let me see.
Okay, okay, okay. Think.
So body is head. Body. Uh, are you blocking it?
No.
I don't know.
Please consider it. Now I'm going to.
What is backspace?
No. I'm going to show you what is the issue. I just
Okay.
cut it and put it in the opening and closing tag.
Opening and closing bracket.
Did you get it now?
Yes.
I just save it and refresh the page. The heading is back now. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the issue. Okay. And
Okay.
this is the solution. In this point we have clear now.
Okay.
Okay. You can see here. You can also read this line.
Hard to do that is content between an opening and okay.
Okay. So here, if I remove this text and rewrite in the opening or closing tag, then our heading is not showing on the web page. Okay,
Okay.
that's great. That's have you any question in this?
No.
Okay, okay. Now I'm going to move next. Okay. Okay. Now here is the HTML element. What is the element? In this here, what is the element? Element is called a combination of tags with opening and closing, right?
Yes.
For example, if I write this line of code with tags and description like as text, so it called element. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So this is called the element, and this called the tag,
Okay.
right? Body tag, and this is the head tag and similar title and similar HTML. Okay, this complete line of code is called the element.
Okay.
Okay, so here is the example. Here is the title example, and here is the
The
body
body example.
yeah, paragraph example. Okay, and here is the anchor example, right? Did you remember here? Where is the yeah,
Anchor.
yeah, exactly,
AA.
exactly. So now I am going to uh, show you an example by using the anchor tag. So I just wrote a anchor tag, and in this opening tag of anchor, I just write a attribute like as href. Href means hyper reference. This means that hyper reference. Okay,
Okay.
and this is the equal sign and this is the quotation signs, and between the quotation sign I have to write the web address like as https colon // google.com, and here I am going to write some text here like as visit Google. I just save it, and here you can see here's the link.
Oh, the link.
Okay,
The
when
link.
yeah, when I click on it, then I will go to the
The Google
google
will open.
google.com, and now you can see here here's the open Google website. Okay,
Okay.
and now you can see here above the console you can see the address https colon / google.com, right?
Okay.
And if I open the element in the console, you can see here here's the address. Okay,
Okay.
did you get this?
Yes.
Yes. Here we can change runtime address like as for example from Google to Yahoo. I just hit enter and click on the visit Google button, and I will go to the yahoo.com. It takes some time. Now you can see here's the address is updated. This is the Yahoo page,
Oh,
right?
Yahoo. Yes.
Okay. I think now you are completely understanding with the anchor tag, right?
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. If I want to add more functionality in the anchor tag, then I have to write another attribute like as target underscore blank. This means that if I click on this link, then then this address will open into a new tab. Look like this. I just refresh the page and click on it. You can see here. This is a new tab. This is another tab, and this is a new tab, right? In this way, uh, we have to add a new functionality in our HTML tag. Okay.
Okay.
Um, in this anchor tag, I use two type of attributes. The first is href, and the second is target.
Okay.
Okay. So please remember it. And these two attributes are very important in the anchor tag. Okay. So
Okay.
so now here, and also here you can see br tag. Br tag, what is the functionality of br tag?
Okay. BR tag.
Yeah, what is the functionality of br tag?
You said the BR tag is an element, no?
No, I'm just asking you what is the functionality of br tag.
Uh,
Yesterday lecture, I told you yesterday lecture.
uh,
What
um, BR.
what meant by br?
A BR.
Yeah.
A browser.
No, break row. Did you remember it?
Oh, break, bro.
Yeah. Please remember all these tags. These tags are very important to build a web page. So if you
Okay.
forget it, then you will be facing many type of difficulties to make a web page. So for this purpose, you have to practice many times.
Okay. Okay.
So okay. Uh,
Did you have like for these little acronyms? Do you have like a subtext of like what they like a document?
Sorry, I did not get your point.
Like you know the acronyms, like what each acronym means. Do you know where I can find that from?
Anchor tags. This one.
No. Acronyms. So what BR means, what
Oh,
P
okay, okay,
means, what.
okay. BR mean break row, and
Okay.
A stand for anchor, and I will describe you about the abbreviation of this text step by step. So first of all, you just remember this anchor. Anchor stand for A stand for anchor, and P stand for paragraph. H1 stand for heading, and BR stand for break row. Okay, and you can also write on your notebook or in your system. And I will provide you all the tags after this lecture, and you will read and understand complete abbreviation for the tags. Okay,
Okay.
and the next point is HTML tags are not case sensitive. And what is the case sensitive? I think
Case
you
sensitive.
yeah.
You, I don't know how to explain it, but I know what it is.
Uh, can you give me any example about it?
Um, like we have to be cautious, um, because because anybody can go through your tags because they're not sensitive.
Okay, okay, okay. I understand. I understand. So case sensitive means in the HTML language, you can write in uppercase text, lowercase text, or capitalized text. Look like this. If I now I'm going to make a new row. I wrote the uppercase letter, right?
Yeah.
And it is not affecting in the code. I just save it and refresh the page, and there is no error. Okay, and after that, I just wrote another tag like as address, and here's the address like as uh, Chunawala, Pakistan. I just save it and look like I'm making this type. I save it and refresh the page. You can see here the text is showing here. Okay,
Oh, okay.
okay. In this here, the double S is capitalized, capital. Okay, and similar here. And before it, I used capital BR. And above line, I write small letter to add a anchor. Similar H1, similar body, similar head, similar title. Okay. So did you get it about the
Yes, sir. I
about the
got it.
okay, that's good. Okay, okay. Okay. So the last option is the tags must be written in the lowercase. Why? Why? Why the tag must be written in the lowercase letter? So the answer is that the lowercase is easy to readable and it is a professional way to write a code in the HTML. And
It's a professional way to write code.
right, right. And most of the professionals write the code in the lowercase letters, not in the capital. And
So
sometime,
so your address, sir, your address is capital S.
right,
Why?
because I just show you that there is no issue with the tag. If you write the capital address, if you write a lowercase, if you write a capitalized address, it is not affecting on your code. It accept it.
Oh,
So that's why I show you in the capitalized letter. Okay,
okay.
yeah. So uh, okay. Uh, can I continue more about the
Yes.
attribute? Okay, okay, that's great. Now, attribute. Attribute is used to add a new feature in the HTML tag. So there are a lot of attributes to make a new features in every HTML tag, and it is not compulsory to add attribute in every HTML tag. But some HTML tags need one or two attributes to add more functionality for the using. For example, in the anchor tag, I have used two attributes. The first one is hrefs and the second one is target. Okay, Okay. I'm going to give you more example for the explanation. If I remove this target attribute and save the page and refresh here, and you can see I click on the wizard Google, and you can see this is replaced with the existing page, right?
Okay.
Because I remove the functionality in the HTML tag. And if I redo the code and save it and refresh the page again, sorry.
1 second, sir. 1 second, please.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I just refresh the page here and click on it.
Okay.
You can see this tab is opened in a new. Okay, and the existing page is still here and the new tab is still here. The google.com is open in a new tab, not in the replacement of previous tab. Did you get my point?
No, can you please repeat it? I'm sorry.
Okay, okay, okay. I just refresh the page here and click
Okay.
on the wizard Google link. You can see here the
Visit
Google
Google
is
link.
open in a new tab.
Yes. Oh,
uh,
okay.
okay, okay, I am going to uh, use another browser for your more understanding. I just load the page and I click on the visit Google. You can see here there is two tab, right?
Yeah.
The this is a new tab that have the google.com, and this is the previous that we have load the our custom HTML page. Now you can see again visit Google, then you can see another page and also click and also click. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here's I just remove this attribute in the HTML tag, and now I going to refresh the page and click on it. You can see here there is no new tab. Okay, it replaced the existing page, right?
Okay.
I think you are confused here, right?
A little bit confused because I also did the same thing. So when I click on visit Google, a new tab opens.
Okay, if I remove the tag of the target, sorry, attribute of target, then it is not opening in a new tab. You can see here it is replaced, right? And another example is if I remove this href tag, save it and refresh the page here, you can see there is no link, right?
Yeah.
Because I just remove the href attribute in the anchor tag. Okay, this is the importance of attribute to use in a single tag.
Okay.
Okay, I just redo it and save it again and refresh the page here. You can see our link is came back. Okay, I click on it and this is working. Okay,
Okay.
so did you get it?
much better.
Okay, okay. Uh, okay. I will give you another example. Like as I'm going to add third attribute which name style. Okay, and I just adding the background color look like look like chocolate color, and save it and refresh page. Here you can see, can you see the background color?
Yes, it's changed
Yeah,
to the
this is,
background.
yeah, this is because of using attribute in the anchor tag, right?
Yeah.
Now I think you have completely understanding to use attribute. uh, have you any question about it?
Um, no, I did it as well with you.
Okay, okay, that's great, that's great. So
Maybe you can check if mine is good too. If you don't mind,
yeah, of course you can.
let me share.
Sure.
Can you see, sir?
I'm going to uh, no, I am not able to see.
Let me check.
You can share entire screen with me.
I did entire screen. Okay, let me see.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Yes, yes, I'm now. Okay.
Okay. So,
The code is too small. I am
too
not able
small.
to read it. Yeah.
Better?
No. Can you make it bigger? More bigger? Yes, yes.
Oh,
Now, now,
this.
yes. Now I'm able to read. So, okay. Web designing and HTTP, Google.com, and blank and address. And yes, you can also add the style attribute in your code.
So this is fine.
Yes, this is fine now. Good job with your coding.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to move next with more examples by using the attributes. So please come in on my screen.
Okay. Sorry.
No problem. Can you see?
One second. Yes.
Oh, okay, that's great. That's great. So the attributes, the next attribute is ID. Did you know about the ID? Why we are using ID in generic purpose?
IT. You said IT or ID?
ID.
I think ID means id, right? I forgot what it means.
No.
It's for a it's a specific it's a specialized um, part of the application.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. ID is unique identifier to use in every HTML tag. Like as, for example, if I want to give this attribute ID, then I just throw the ID attribute and name of the ID, like as first heading. Okay, and there will be no space between first and the heading. Okay, please remember it. If you add any space between first and heading, then the ID will not be work perfectly according to our coding level. Okay, so it should be without the space, just like this. Okay, and if you don't want to write first, then you can just write the text here like as heading. Okay, so this means that this h1 tag have a unique id with the name of heading. Okay, and we will use it later. Okay, for example, I just wrote another code here like as and remember, id is always denoted by hash sign. Okay, okay, so head, then the name of the id like as heading. Okay, and I just put the I want to change the font color of the heading like as uh, orange. Save it and refresh page here. You can see here I just use the heading. Okay, I just use the id of heading and make a change to change a color. Okay, this is the use of id in any tag. Okay, did you get it?
You're creating a new heading that will give you another a tag for the code.
No, this is not a tag, this is called attribute.
Attribute, sorry, attribute.
Yeah, uh, okay, so another example is class. Okay, so class id, we will use same name of id only one time because id is unique. And on the other hand, the class is used multiple time with the same name like as class a, class b. Okay, and these are the class has the common habits or common functionalities to use in a tag. For example, I'm going to just make another tag like as h2. uh, I just wrote the second heading and h3 with the third heading. Okay, and I just save it. I save it and
Oh,
I saved. You can see there are two another headings. Okay, and I just give this class with the same name, class attribute like as this one, like pk, and another class with the same name pk. Okay, and here I
okay.
just give another property to make a clear sense like as, and class always denoted with the dot sign. Okay, this one full stop. In the coding we can call it dot, not a full stop. Okay, so dot pk, and the property will be background color like as uh, like as coral. I save it and refresh the page. Here you can see class has the same functionalities. Okay, did you get it?
Okay. Class has the same functionality.
Yes, but the id has the unique functionalities.
Okay.
Okay, ID stand for your phone number, your email ID, your identity, like as driving license. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And your email address is not duplicated with another one, anyone else. Okay. So the class will be same. Maybe you are enrolling in the web designing class and another student also enrolling with the web designing class. Okay. So class have the same functionalities, but the ID have unique functionality. Did you get it?
I kind of understand it.
Okay, okay. Uh, when we will working by the class and IDs, then you will be more clear in the bootstrap language. So another is style. You can see style. I already use the style attribute uh, in here is the style attribute, and h reference I already used h reference in the anchor tag. Okay. So uh, where is here, and you can see here is the h reference tags with the example, and class you can see here. You can read this line. Specifies one or more class name for an
Very
element.
important part.
Yeah. And also this line for the ID.
Okay.
I think now you are clear on your side about the ID and class.
Yes.
Okay. This is the difference between the ID and class attribute. Okay.
Idea class attribute. Okay.
Okay. That's great. That's great. So today lecture is completed now. Have you
Okay.
any question about this regarding today lecture?
No. So for homework, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to complete the code like you did?
Yes, yes. I will send you complete code and also send you a
Okay.
video of this recorded
Oh
lecture.
yes, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
So okay. Okay. So okay. Thank you. Have a good day.